Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparadia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to back up data to Google Drive on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you are still store or saving the document, files, and also photo or video or something important in your internal saving, so yeah guys, you should start to back up your data to Google Drive. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down, and now you can go to account and backup, and then here from Google Drive, now you can click backup and click backup now. So yeah, all the files on your cell phone will backing up to Google Drive. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.